In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button on Google Sites that's linked to your email address. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to make it easy for visitors to your site to contact you quickly and seamlessly. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up with just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. This is Google's website creation tool that's both easy to use and powerful enough for a variety of needs. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and do so using your Google account. Once you're on the main page, feel free to peruse the numerous templates available, though for this demonstration, you can simply use a blank site to keep things streamlined and straightforward. Now that we're in the Google Sites editing environment, take a look at the menu on the right-hand side. You'll see different options like Insert, Pages, and Themes. For our task today, focus on the Insert section. This is the area of the dashboard where you can add various elements to your site, like text boxes, images, and most importantly for us, buttons. Within the Insert menu, find and click on the option labeled Button. This feature allows you to create a clickable button that visitors can use to perform specific actions, such as reaching out to you via email. Once you've clicked Button, a small window will pop up asking for a few details to configure the button. Firstly, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your button. This is how your button will be labeled on your site, so pick a name that is clear and concise. Something like Contact Me or Email Us works perfectly. Whatever you choose, make sure it's indicative of the action a visitor will be taking. Next, you'll need to input the link that will be associated with the button. Instead of linking to another web page, you'll be entering your email address here. However, you need to format it in a specific way. Start with mailto and then add your email. For instance, if your email were example@gmail.com, you would write mailto.example@gmail.com. This setup ensures that when users click the button, it'll open up their default email client ready to send you a message. With the button name and email link in place, you can go ahead and insert it into your site. After hitting the Insert button, you'll see the newly created button drop onto your web page. From there, you can drag it to your preferred location and adjust its size to fit the design of your site. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully created an email-linked button on your Google site. Now visitors can easily reach out to you with a click. Remember, it's always a good idea to test it yourself to make sure everything functions as expected. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy site building!